right, so here's the question for you. Look at this vehicle. Do you know a veteran, a local veteran perhaps, that can use this beautiful Jeep? Oh my God, this thing's awesome. On today's Throttle, yeah, right? Who couldn't? On today's Throttle Thursday, Fox 5 car expert, Mr. Nick Miles, is here telling us about the Nexen Tire Hero program. Nick, good morning.
Good morning to you.
This is a beautiful vehicle.
Isn't it beautiful?
Look
They've
at this
done,
Jeep.
Nexen have done such a good job with this. All J actually did the build for them. They're in Big Bear. This is part of the Nexen Hero program. This is the third time that they've done this. They've already given away 2 vehicles. What better to go to an American hero than a very classic American Jeep Wrangler? How this happens is you can nominate a honorably discharged veteran who does great things in the community.
Wonderful.
And Nexen then will look at all of the nominations, and by the end of this year we'll choose somebody who will be honored to have this in their driveway.
So again, the qualifications are honorably discharged, so active duty doesn't count.
No
It's
active duty
discharged.
because active duty probably wouldn't want to receive a gift if they're active duty.
Of course.
Also, somebody who does some great things in the community. The people have won in the past have been great, honorable veterans. They have done great things for their community. This is what we want. And the Nexen want to show that they are doing great things for the community, as they obviously are.
And knowing how our veterans are, there's probably a humongous list of qualified candidates and worthy candidates for this as well, right?
Absolutely, and maybe you don't know a veteran, you can still donate to the program, and Nexen will actually match those donations up to $30,000. The website you can donate to is at fox5sandiego.com. We put the website up there. It's the Nexen Tire website. So you can donate, and they actually help about 12,000 veterans every year.
I was going to ask you about, give me a little background on this program.
It's part of the Purple Heart Foundation's program, and what they do is help veterans with everything they need. So there's about $2 million that went out. They helped about 12,000 veterans.
Wow.
These veterans who need things with helps like medical bills and those type of things. So they're really doing good in the community, and some person is going to be very noticeable in the community with this beautiful.
And you said they've already given away 2 vehicles?
2 other vehicles in the past. This is the third time they've done it.
Third time they've done it. I was told that this Jeep has Easter eggs? What, like actual Easter eggs? Or what are you talking about? Like in the movies?
Every Jeep Wrangler has secret little signs around it. I'll give you a clue. Look on the floor between the back 2 seats. See if you can see something.
Well, let me get this guy out of the way, because let's see. In the fold in the
on the floor between the back 2 seats.
What am I looking at here? Let's open the door and see if we can squeeze in. Nick Miles, now I'm curious.
There you go. It's actually a Jeep on the floor. It's embedded in the floor. Everywhere around this vehicle is secret little Easter eggs. Jeeps are hidden somewhere.
How cool is that?
These sort of things, Let me show you a couple things that they've done to the vehicle. Of course, it has the Nexen Rodian MTX off-road tires on.
Those tires are spectacular.
Let me show you something about these tires that's really cool. Look at the sidewalls of these tires. They have a different pattern on the inside. You can swap the patterns out as you feel that you want to. They also have the biggest range
like
of
shark
off-road tires
teeth or something on the side. Look at that.
You won't get bitten by those.
No.
This is a rugged ridge here. They did the front bumpers, the back bumpers, the light here, the roof rack. They've done a beautiful job in decking this out. I mean, you're going to notice a hero in the local community driving this as well.
Dude, I love the lights up on the hood and everything.
Yeah, that's for when the person behind you doesn't pull over fast enough. You turn them on.
You light that up.
Get out of my way! It's also for spotting zombies at Halloween, by the way.
Can I sit in this thing?
Yeah, go ahead and sit in. I think we left.
That's hard to get up here, huh? It's a little hot.
Here, I'll get on my all fours.
Oh, there you go.
Look, even
Nick.
All that mountain biking is paying off. Beautiful Jeep Wrangler. Go to fox5sandiego.com. You can nominate somebody there or make a donation to the Purple Heart Foundation.
Love it. All the information, click the Scene On tab. Nick Miles, thank you. This is fantastic. You want to take this for a spin?